Clean wooden surfaces with a controlled, layered approach to avoid streaks and residue. Start by removing loose dust with a soft microfiber cloth using gentle, even strokes along the grain to avoid scratching and to lift particulate that traps moisture and cleaning solution. Choose a cleaner formulated for wood, or make a mild mix of 1 part white vinegar to 10 parts warm water for sealed finishes, and never soak the surface. Lightly mist the cleaner onto a clean microfiber or cotton cloth rather than spraying the wood to prevent pooling in seams or joints. Wipe in the direction of the grain using moderate pressure, following with a second dry microfiber cloth immediately to buff and remove any residual moisture or cleaner film. For textured surfaces or carved details, use a soft bristle toothbrush or small natural bristle paintbrush, dampened with cleaner. Then follow with a dry swab to extract moisture from crevices. For oil-finished or waxed woods, use a dedicated oil or beeswax product sparingly. Apply with a lint-free cloth in thin layers. Allow a few minutes to absorb, then buff thoroughly until the surface feels dry and smooth. Common issues include using too much liquid, which causes streaking and follow-up residue because the excess does not evaporate evenly. Prevent this by always applying cleaner to the cloth and keeping applications light. Another frequent problem is circular wiping that smears finish variations and leaves visible patterns. Switch to straight strokes along the grain and finish with long buffing strokes to blend any remaining film. A third issue is using the wrong cloth that leaves lint or holds water. Use high-quality microfiber or tightly woven cotton, rinse and wring thoroughly if damp, and replace cloths when they become saturated. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by providing a searchable directory and project discussion boards where we share real user experiences about surface care and refinishing. We also help contractors find work by giving them a platform to showcase services and participate in our community discussions.